The next big idea is out there, and it could come from you. I love coming up with ideas, I love advertising, I love reality shows. So I've created a new business competition, and I'm opening the doors to a brand new agency for businesses. I can't even believe that this show is actually even happening and being made. It was just an idea that I had and I wrote down, and I gave it to NBC and they started developing it. And I said, who's a good co-host? And my wife goes, you should get Bozoma from Real Housewives. And I wasn't caught up on Real Housewives. She was like, watch it, you're gonna love her. So I watched it, fell in love like America did. So I kind of begged Bozoma to come on and do the show because you legitimize the show for everybody.
I've worked at Netflix, at Uber, at PepsiCo, Endeavor. Woo, it's been a long journey. And I did it all in heels, thank you.
I selected 10 creatives from all over the country, and I personally sent them a letter from me telling them that they got the job.
Dear Mahari, we would like to offer you a position at the on-brand agency.
I need Mahari because you need someone that's got style, and this guy is fashion.
Congratulations, you have shown creativity, enthusiasm, and out-of-the-box thinking.
I wanted Bianca because she knows what's happening with trends. I think she's going to be a fierce competitor.
Please report to the on-brand agency immediately.
BT is a party. He is fun, and he's going to bring that big Texas energy to the show.
I got the job. It's time to get to work.
We take the show serious.
Yeah.
She has a reputation to uphold.
Yes.
So this is actually a real reality show with real stakes.
Not everyone gets the chance to face off in front of a CMO of a big, big brand.
And now we give them the shot. We've brought them here to the on-brand agency where they will be battling it out to see who can come up with the most creative campaigns and who can earn the title of Innovator of the Year. A title that comes with a $100,000 bonus.
That's crazy.
We're working with real brands. This is a huge opportunity.
And at the end of every episode, they will create an idea and a product that will be available in real life. You guys are going to wrap a plane! Captain Morgan's campaign!
Dunkin's been around forever. We're spending millions of dollars on this.
Millions. I believe in you, I believe in you, I believe in you.
At the end of this campaign, we do need to let someone go home.
Being a part of this moment, it just feels so significant, and I'm thankful for the opportunity.
I didn't realize eliminations would be so tough.
Yeah.
You're making me emotional. All right, make it big, make it bold, authentic, and make it fun.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
That's an HR violation.
I don't even have words.
Good luck, and may the best idea win!